Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Eternal Exception Java.NET Socket Exception connection. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to simply go to your Windows and search for View Network Connections, and you're going to select on it right here. Then it's going to redirect you to this, where you can see the internet that you're connected to. So I am connected to this Wi-Fi, so double click on it. And then from here, you can see their properties right here. Click on it. Then from properties, you're going to search for the one that says Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click on properties. Then from here, you're going to use the following DNS server address. So from here, you're going to type 8888, and then from here, 8844. Make sure to click on the button that says Validate Settings upon exit, and then click on OK. Once you do that, click on close, and then click on close again. Wait for it to finish the issues for the troubleshooting and let it go for the bar. Once it is done, click on close the troubleshooter, click on close again, exit this window. Then from here, you're going to go to the settings again, type CMD or command prompt, right click and run as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, you can see right here, then you're going to type in those 3 commands that I'm going to leave in the description. So just copy them, and then from here, paste them and let it go down. And then once it says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, you should be all good. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.